Welcome to Central Pit Stop. Here we bring to you a step-by-step guide to changing your Toyota Land Cruiser front brake pads. Got a Toyota Land Cruiser that needs some brake love? Let's dive in. First things first, safety. Park on a flat surface and engage that parking brake. Safety glasses and gloves on? Great. Next, loosen those lug nuts just a bit before you lift the vehicle with a jack and secure it on jack stands. Got it? Cool. Now remove the wheel completely. Find the brake caliper. It's like the brake pad's house. Remove the bolts, slide off the caliper, and support it with a bungee cord. Take out the old brake pads and grab your C-clamp. Push the piston back into the caliper to make room for the new pads. Clean everything with brake cleaner. Pop in the new pads just like the old ones. Reattach the caliper snugly with the bolts. Put the wheel back on, hand tighten the lug nuts, and lower the vehicle. Finally, tighten the lug nuts with a torque wrench. Pump the brake pedal a few times and check the brake fluid. And there you go. Your Land Cruiser is ready to roll with new brake pads. Stay safe out there. Thank you for watching. Please do hit the like button and subscribe.